A client from Council Bluffs, Iowa, contacted Omaha Garage Door Repair to report a malfunctioning garage door. As they prepared to leave their home, the garage door only budged a few inches and abruptly halted, refusing to budge further. Concerned, they inspected the garage door more closely. They noticed an unusual tension and imbalance in the door, making it difficult to move manually. That was when they saw a broken garage door spring and contacted us for repair. Our door experts were at the client's house the same day. We immediately removed the broken torsion spring and put in stronger ones that would last longer. With the skills of our techs and the right tools, the garage door spring replacement took less than an hour. Before we left, we told them a few easy ways to take care of their garage door. They were very grateful for the quick job. Omaha Garage Door Repair is a full-service garage door company offering garage door spring replacement, garage door repair, and other services. We specialize in providing high-quality service and products at an affordable price. We strive to provide you with the most outstanding service and customer satisfaction. Call us today at 402-819-5158 or visit www.garagedoorrepairomaha.ne.com for free estimates.